Hello everyone, and this is Star Angelique, your host. How to make batch videos. First of all, what is batch videos? Making hella videos in a day so you can get them on your way out to upload. Let's begin. What is batch videos? Batch videos are videos where you make more than one during one day and one take. It may take you 6 hours to a day to do, but you'll have plenty of videos stored up. Get those videos to you. Why do batch videos? Because you'll have plenty of content to spread on your blogs, your videos, your chats, and your Facebook and Twitter. You'll have some extra video in real life. You could take your camera to these places, film little things like plants, or talking, having a sound bit, people's voices, and put them all together on one take and camera. Keep those and place them together in one good video to make more than one video at a time and do batch videos. We got into why we can make these videos because you'll have it handy. You have more things to pair up with other things and make a lovely critique. Making videos is an art and a lot of work goes into it. Blood, sweat, and tears. Life goes into it. Sometimes you'll get a thought and you'll have to put it on video because you will miss out on a great idea and you don't want to do that. You will have to pick up the pieces to the video idea and try to piece them together and start all over again. So I hope that you got something out of this. I'm about to head on and enjoy some, and I hope that you get a chance to make some batch videos. It will up your watch time. It's a great, enjoyable, fun thing to do, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for supporting the channel. Be sure to watch the new playlist and the next video showing on the screen. Thank you.